as much as I have trust and faith in our circuit court to do the right thing, at the same time, I don't know that they have all of the facts that I have. I'm not going to rely upon the circuit court and what happens there to dictate what I can do. Because what I can do is limited to throwing you in jail for 90 days. Okay? But I think a mental health assessment is also in order. There's something really wrong with 76 times that she knows of, because she's probably right. There's probably another 100 out there that she just didn't see, because you also kept creating new emails in order to get around the blocks that she had created. So when I say this is not an ordinary stalking case, you were coming up with creative ways to get around her doing everything she could to keep you away. So again, the probation is going to be for 2 years. The fine is $100. The cost $800 is a $75 Crime Victims' Rights Fund fee, a $50 judicial system fee. The primary purpose, again, of this probation is, as requested by the prosecutor, is to keep you away from Miss Pitcher for those 2 years. And I think you know what's going to happen. You'll see what it's like to sit in jail for 90 days if there's a violation. The other purpose would be to have a mental health evaluation completed. And one thing I'm going to make sure you do, you're going to share this letter from the victim with the evaluator, because I'm not going to let you just go in and minimize what happened and tell them, oh yeah, she didn't want me to contact her and I sent her some flowers. They're going to know the whole story, because if you don't tell them the whole story, they can't help you because they don't know what the problem is. So the conditions of the probation are going to be, again, that you not have any contact with Ms. Pitcher for the next 2 years, that you not engage in any violent, threatening, intimidating, or harassing behavior toward anyone, be respectful of court employees and care providers, that you not be in possession of or reside where there are any firearms or weapons. You're also to complete a mental health evaluation by a therapist approved by your probation agent. That could be Catholic Human Services. It could be someone that you suggest, but again, it has to be someone approved by your probation agent. You're to share the agent's description of the offense along with the victim's impact statement with the evaluator. Do you need to have a seat, sir? Okay, go ahead and have a seat. All right, officers, we're going to take a break. Yep. And I'd like you to check him out and make sure that he's okay. So let's take a recess.
All right. The whole thing? Yeah. Yeah. So you're still yeah. How are you feeling when that happened?
Need some water?
No. Feel like just kind of funny feeling?
Yeah, like I didn't find it.
Yeah. I think- Well, there you'll be a few minute break here. Not on duty, no, we could call the ambulance if it's necessary. Question how you're feeling. I'm not gonna by sort of EMS unless you were actually falling on the ground and you were conscious. Yeah, back in the jury room actually. So if you go back and you look in the fridge in the jury room,
Looking for water.
yeah.
And I don't know if there's any in there, but we'll get them something.
I think it feel better if you just sit down for a few
Find one?
minutes.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if to go, but we got what?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sit on it slow, don't chug it. When I think you're there, we have a scoop chair background. You can just. Wait for your turn to come in.
All right.
Right. If you want to come back up to the stand, Mr. Budzinski, please be seated. All right. Do you feel okay to continue?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we were in the middle of the probation terms, and I had mentioned the mental health assessment. And let's see. Other than you're to follow all recommendations made by the evaluator after the assessment, including what I would expect would be some counseling. And other than that, you need to notify your probation agent if you have any contacts with law enforcement. And you need to contact our probation office between 1 and 3 o'clock today. They're going to set up an appointment for you. Your probation agent will go over the conditions of the probation in more detail with you. They'll answer any questions that you have.